Hey guys, Lewis here. It's just a short one from me today. So today I wanted to talk to you about what's called financial literacy. Um, it's ultimately your own understanding of how to manage your finances, credit, debt, and so on, so you can make those financially responsible decisions. I just want to share with you a bit of my story. I'm turning 26 in 7 days. Um, you really should be getting into this as soon as possible. I really wish I learned about this when I was 18 years old. I've only really started to divest in it in the past 3 years, and it's good, but I've understood that the quicker you get into it, the better it is. So, what I recommend that you do is that if you're 18 or whatever age you are, have have a think about your financial literacy. Go and research what you can do to make your money grow. Because if your money isn't growing for you and you're just working from paycheck to paycheck, it might suck. You might feel like you're getting nowhere. But if you can have the ability to make your money grow and pay for yourself, then that's great. That's a great feeling. Um, for me personally, mistakes that I've made were taking out a loan to go and buy a car, where instead I could have used those paybacks, the money I used to pay back the loan, to buy ETFs or bonds or even put it even in a savings account. So I just ended up with depreciating asset asset, which I don't have anymore because the car broke down. Um, but ultimately, all I'm trying to say is that if you are young, you need to understand that your financial future is very important, and I cannot reiterate how important it is to actually get into it and to start learning about it. For me, yeah, personally, I put money into ETFs, and then I put money into savings. Um, for any leftover money that I have, I do kind of divulge in crypto, but at a very, very small amount, only because it's quite a risky game. I've had friends who have lost significant amounts of money in it. Um, I do have videos about certain cryptos. So for example, I think I've only put like $20 into Dogecoin and $20 into Floki Inu as well, things like that. But yeah, that's pretty much from me. Main message: learn about financial literacy as soon as you can, and understand the different ways that you can make your money grow for you.